Hey, nature friends! Did you know that creatures as beautiful as butterflies actually hide a ton of secrets that not many people know? From the way they taste food to surprising facts about their love lives. In this video, we'll thoroughly explore unique and surprising facts about butterflies that are guaranteed to make you even more in awe of these beautiful insects. The first interesting fact is that butterfly wings are transparent. How is that possible? We all know that butterflies have the most colorful and striking wings. Well, butterfly wings are actually made up of layers of chitin, a protein that makes up the insect's exoskeleton. These layers are so thin that you can see through them. Thousands of tiny scales cover this transparent chitin, and these scales reflect light in different colors. As a butterfly ages, it develops transparent spots where the chitin layers are exposed. So the older a butterfly gets, the more transparent its wings will appear. The second interesting fact is that butterflies taste with their feet. Taste receptors on a butterfly's feet help it locate host plants and track its food. A female butterfly lands on different plants, shaking the leaves with her feet to cause the plant to release its juice. The tissue behind her legs contains chemoreceptors that detect matching plant chemicals. When she identifies the right plant, she will lay her eggs. A butterfly will also step on its food, using organs that can sense dissolved sugars to taste food sources such as ripe fruit. Did you know? A butterfly's diet depends on the type of liquid it feeds on. Speaking of butterfly diets, adult butterflies only eat liquids, usually nectar. Their mouthparts are modified for drinking, but they are unable to chew solid food. A proboscis, which acts as a drinking straw, curls up under the butterfly's chin until it finds a source of nectar or other liquid nutrients. It then extends the tubular structure to suck up its food. The fourth fact is that a butterfly must immediately fuse its proboscis after emerging from the cocoon. A butterfly that cannot drink nectar is doomed, so one of the main tasks of an adult butterfly is to ensure its mouth is functional. When an adult butterfly emerges from the pupal case or cocoon, its mouth is divided into two parts. Using palpi located near its proboscis, the butterfly begins to fuse the two parts into one mouthpart, a tubular proboscis. You will see the newly emerged butterfly curling and extending its proboscis to test its functionality. Another unique characteristic of butterflies is that they cannot fly if they are cold. Butterflies need an ideal body temperature of around 30 Celsius to fly. Since they are cold-blooded animals, they cannot control their own body temperature. The temperature of the surrounding air has a major impact on their body's ability to function. If the air temperature drops below 13 Celsius, butterflies cannot move and cannot escape predators. When the air temperature is around 28 to 38 C, butterflies can fly easily. Cold days require butterflies to warm up their flight muscles, either by shaking themselves or bathing in sunlight. Even butterflies that love sunlight can overheat if the temperature is above 38 Celsius, which will cause them to seek shade to cool down. Who would have thought that butterflies typically only live for 2 to 4 weeks? Once they emerge from their cocoons as adults, they only have a few weeks to live. During that time, they focus their energy onto things, feeding and mating. Some of the smallest butterflies, the blue ones, only survive for a few days. Long-lived butterflies, such as monarchs or mourning cloaks, can live up to 9 months. Another fact is that butterflies are quite clever and have many tricks up their sleeves to avoid being eaten by predators. Butterflies are at the bottom of the food chain, and many predators are ready to prey on them. Some butterflies fold their wings to camouflage themselves with nature, while others have the same color as their surroundings. While other species use the opposite strategy, their wings are made very bright and eye-catching to announce their presence. Insects with very bright colors are usually considered poisonous by their predators and are avoided. This is the strategy they use. Most of these butterflies are not poisonous, but they mimic the patterns of other insects that are known to be poisonous. The final interesting fact is that butterflies are short-sighted animals. A butterfly's vision is quite good at around 3 to 4 meters. Anything beyond that distance appears blurry to them. Butterflies rely on their vision for vital tasks, such as finding mating partners of the same species or finding flowers where they feed. So those are some unique facts about butterflies that you might not have known. From their straw-like tongues to their ability to taste with their tongues, who knew such tiny creatures could hold so many wonders?